सुरक्षित भविष्य का सच्चा साथी। आंध्रा बैंक और कॉरपोरेशन बैंक अब हैं यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
Ma Karuna Award 2020, Lifetime Achievement Award. The President and the Honorable Members of the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, Leh, UT Ladakh, and the Ma Karuna Foundation, New Delhi, take immense pleasure in conferring this Lifetime Achievement Award to Shri Satish Khandare, IPS, Honorable IGP, Ladakh Police. We wish you continued success in all your future endeavors. May the blessings of the Lord Buddha be with you always, with our thanks and profound gratitude. Master.
Similarly, Medical Superintendent, Vice President of this institute, my colleague in administration, friends from media, and all respectable who are present here. First, let me thank the Mahabodhi International Institute for honoring Ladakh Police as well as medical fraternity and everybody who is related or who is contributing in the fight against Corona. So I am honored, I feel privileged, and on behalf of Ladakh Police, I express my sincere gratitude to Mahabodhi Institute. Actually, when one visits Ladakh, one is transported into a different world. This place has such a unique geographical feature which you don't get to see anywhere in our country. And generally one tend to feel spiritual when one visit Ladakh. So in this land of high mountain and multiple passes, Mahabodhi Institute is doing a wonderful job of teaching spirituality to the people. So I think this is the great work Mahabodhi Institute is doing here. Apart from that, Mahabodhi Institute is really has undertaken various projects which are very helpful and useful to humankind. I also appreciate this institute for being so proactive in the fight against Corona. I remember we were discussing there was a need to make a separate hospital for COVID patient, a COVID hospital. And I remember Mahabodhi Institute volunteered itself for this job. So I think that is the very nice gesture, and this is a very great contribution of this institute. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all other department, government servant who are on the forefront in the fight against COVID, especially the medical department. We all know in Ladakh the medical staff is limited, medical facility is limited, but the way they rose to the occasion and handled this crisis, I think this is very commendable. And because of their effort, we were able to control the spread of Corona in Ladakh region. So I really salute them. After formation of UT Ladakh, a separate Ladakh police was created. I feel myself honored, privileged to be first head of police of Ladakh police, and I congratulate all my fellow policemen for this creation of independent Ladakh police. I want to assure all the people of Ladakh that Ladakh police will strive to live up to the expectation of Ladakhi people. We will strive to be people friendly, tourist friendly police force. We would like to work in a fashion where we will be able to extend a helping hand to the person who is in need. I once again, before concluding, would like to thank Mahabodhi Institute and Venerable Bhikkhu Sarnesena for bestowing this honor to me and Ladakh Police. Thank you.